welcome to our root prototype. For the second week, we are working more on functionality on our prototype. We have our header and footer that has more links that work. Our pages are more blocky and are able to segue into each other more fluidly. You can see that we've included social media links as well as bottom links to the top that correspond with each other.
And we have a few different links on the top which take you to a separate site that gives you a little more insight into everything. The homepage has all of the components on top of customer reviews, which are, you can scroll through them. There's a few here. On the bottom, there is a bunch more info that I'll get to in a second. But essentially, the homepage has all of the components. It has the home, it has the services, it has about us section. It has the our best highlighted contractor section. It has the get in touch, send us a message section, and that's all for the links. You can navigate to every page from every page. So all of these buttons take you somewhere. Um, about section gives you a little more insight, a little more than just the regular about us, which should be somewhere here. This is a little shorter. So about us, this is a little more in detail. Those services are all listed here. The customer will be able to click one of the services and the list of all the services available will be shown. Um, what else do we have? We have the contractors, we have the winners of the Higher Hubs awards, we have the best rated, most efficient, and most experienced. Of course, the customer will be able to click the contractor, read a short bio, and the services that they currently provide, some customer reviews, all that. There's the contact us section. The customer fill it out with their name, phone number, email, message, and select one of the services. Click send. This will generate an email and be sent to the administrator of the website. We also have the simple login screen for customers, as well as it will also be an administrator login. There's gonna be a button right here somewhere that for the administrator login, which is gonna switch the login database for the administrator. It's slightly different, but that will be implemented later. We also have our logo here on the top and on the bottom in the header and the footer, as well as a newsletter where a customer can type in an email and subscribe and be put on a mailing list that will send automated emails eventually. Those links also work just as the ones on the top, as well as the social media links. We have some information here and there, and that's pretty much it for the website design.
To continue with the website design, right now most of the website, our color scheme for the website is just keeping green tones all throughout the page. So as you can see with our logo, we have just like a darker green and a offsetting green to go with the second word. And then as you do scroll around through the page onto different tabs, we do have that green going around on the buttons just to differentiate between the different areas and to kind of pop out more for the user. So they pop out more for names, to subscribe, to send, and definitely on the footer of the page, just so it's easier to differentiate the areas while you scroll down, if they choose to scroll down, or if they choose to just open a full page from the navigation bar.
Yep, and that pretty much wraps it up.
Yep, we'll see you next week for the next prototype.